What's good YouTube, it's your boy Kwan. Once again, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have the Ferrari 458. And hope you all like this content. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also share the video for more amazing content. Today's video, we also have a story time, so hope you all enjoy this content. And basically, it's how I got into my first accident. So basically, on my vehicle, I was heading down to work, and the traffic was the usual, a bit heavy. So I'm going up a hill, so there's some vehicles in front of me, so I end up overtaking them. And I came behind a van and a car. And so I got up the whole hill, going down the bad lane, for those who know. And when I'm almost at the bottom of the bad lane, when I pass the bridge, there's a bridge there, I pass it, I started to overtake. When I overtake in my car, I passed the van, but when I was about to overtake the car in front of it, I ended up making it, but in front of the car, higher up, there was this van, parked, literally stopped in the middle of the road. I'm wondering, like, why did he stop? And not knowing, to my knowledge, that there was a bus literally in front of him, because I did not have time to see it because of the speed I was going. And when I swing, I end up holding brakes. My tires end up locking. It was either I hit him, the van in front of me, or I go to the right and hit the vehicle that's coming towards me, or I go to the left on the side of the road. And it's like there's a bunch of people just waiting to go to work, waiting for them to go to work. So I don't really have a choice, so I just go straight into the guy's crash bar at the back, and basically nothing happened to his vehicle. Unlike mine, literally the bumper bent, the radiator burst, amongst other stuff. So yeah, that's how my first accident happened. And it's like, wow, the experience was just, I would say, to my expectation, in a blink of an eye. Some people will put it like, yeah, you will have time to think, but there is no thinking in that. You have to process very, very, very fast. And yeah, I can drive fast in real life, but there's some limitations that I'm still learning about, like the braking at high speeds. And basically what happened is that when I hold the brakes, the vehicle just slide with me. So that was the only option I had, to just let it go, because the vehicle tires was already stopped spinning, so the vehicle was just basically just dragging it away into the van crash bar bumper. And yeah, so that's how it happened. That I won't forget. But that day was a bit awesome, because the guy didn't really take it no how. Because also, the reason I did not notice that the bus was in front of him, at least I forget, the guy with the van, his back brakes, the lights don't work at all. So I myself wouldn't know. So yeah, so that's how I got into my first accident. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. There's more to come, people. So yeah, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for support and the constant watching and engagement from my channel. I know there's some content that I've uploaded and that y'all do not like, but that's just me, that's me creating my content. So it's either you like it or you don't. I get it. So yeah. So that's about it for this video. The rest will just be a bit short, so it's just me upgrading the 458, or is it 458? Oh well, comment down below. So yeah people, until next video, enjoy this one. Till then I'm out for now, so yeah.